Today we have this stupid Chester fire alarm. As you can see, I have it rigged up on this stupid desk. The sign just says exit, use stairs. I don't even have an exit over there, so it's useless. It's not turning. And I have the fire pull station. Fucking shit. When you pull it down, it's supposed to activate. Without further ado, let's just try it out, I guess. God, this fucking wire. So loud. It's just so loud. And why is the light not staying lit? It's supposed to flash. Oh my god, I just poked my finger in it and it broke it already. Oh, what happened? Stopped. The light's still on though. Come on. What happened? The light just broke. Oh, what the fuck? The thing's just falling apart. Look at its guts. This is Chester and the quality content. Fucking stupid goddamn pull station. Your pull station. Ah, oh, bro. Fucking crap. Stay up. What are you looking at, you fucking dumb fire thing? Get back on. Your job. Dumb thing's supposed to stay. Oh, they can't even do this. Jesus. You fucking shit.